Remove the cover from your cell phone, place it in a pan, and pour water over it. Cell phone cover sellers won't be happy with you doing that. If you want to give your cell phone cover a new look, but can't afford a new one, watch this video. You'll stop spending money on new cell phone covers. Follow these steps and you'll no longer need to buy a new cover. To begin, place the cell phone cover in the pan. You'll need crepe paper. I paid only €1 and got the desired color. If you don't believe me, watch until the end of the video. We'll cut the crepe paper this way. I'd love to know how far my videos go, so let me know which country you're watching from to send you a greeting in the next one. Then, just cover it with the crepe paper and leave it until it starts boiling, about 5 minutes later. After 5 minutes, take it off the heat. Now we're going to use a lemon. Place it here. The acid properties of lemon can help set the color of crepe paper in cell phone covers, prolonging their useful life. And let it sit for another 5 minutes. The result will be amazing. If your cover is yellowish or ugly, do it and that's it. Before revealing the outcome, share this video with your family and friends. Let them know about this amazing trick. Now, very carefully, we're going to remove the cover from the pan. Look at the result. Amazing! I think I deserve a like for this video. Now you just need to let it dry. Wipe with a cloth to demonstrate that the color remains intact and does not transfer. That's why I said that sellers of the pan wouldn't like this video. For just €1, you can have the cell phone cover you want in the color you prefer. By the way, let me know how much a cell phone cover costs in your city. You know, don't spend more money on cell phone covers. Look how pretty your cell phone cover will look. The color is very intense. I hope you were inspired and are looking forward to giving your cell phone cover a new look with the colors you prefer. Remember that creativity has no limits, so let your ideas flow. If you made it this far, leave a phone cover emoji so I know you saw the entire video. If this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our creative tips.